Shanghai, Kiline Paper Company Limited is a professional company sales of industrial wipes and household cleaning products. We have long been committed to the export of industrial wipes, commercial wipes, and civil cleaning wipes. Our products and services are available in more than 1 million people and more than 20 countries around the world. Industrial cleaning and wiping products are divided into general industrial cleaning and wiping and professional field cleaning and wiping. And the industries involved mainly include electronics, manufacturing, chemical industry, food and drug industry, laboratories, and other fields. Civilian cleaning products are divided into household cleaning products and outdoor cleaning products. Household cleaning is used in daily cleaning of kitchens, restaurants, bathrooms, living rooms, etc. And outdoor cleaning products are used in cleaning products for personal needs such as automobiles, travel, and sports. We create a safer, more efficient, and healthier working and living environment for our customers through strict quality control, professional service, and technical support. We have obtained CE, SGS, MSDS certificates. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We adhere to the business philosophy of professionalism, concentration, sincerity, and faith, and strive to make professional products with professional technology. Since its establishment 15 years ago, Shanghai Kiline Paper Company Limited has been recognized by the industry for its integrity, strength, and product quality. We will use practical actions to provide more professional, more comprehensive, and better services, which is Kiline's commitment.